Will project manager jobs become obsolete? This is the question every project manager and anyone aspiring to become a project manager has asked themselves. Project management is a dynamic field and it is now on the verge of a technological revolution. As AI continues to evolve, the question arises, could AI potentially revolutionize project management? And if project manager jobs will no longer be required? If this is going in your head as well, then watch the video till the end. Let's talk about AI capabilities in project management. First, let's look at what AI can do in project management. Automation of routine tasks. AI can effortlessly handle scheduling, reminders, and progress tracking. Tools like Microsoft Project and Trello's Butler can automate these tasks, freeing up time for project managers to focus on more complex aspects of their projects. Data analysis. AI can process large amounts of data quickly, providing insights and forecasts. This capability helps in making informed decisions based on real-time data analysis. For example, AI can analyze past project performance to predict future project timelines and budget requirements. In a real-life scenario, AI could analyze a company's past project data to identify patterns and trends and then use this information to forecast a timeline and budget for a new project. Risk management. AI has the ability to predict potential risks by analyzing the patterns and past data. This enables project managers to develop mitigation strategies before issues arise. For example, AI can analyze customer purchase patterns to predict potential inventory shortages, which enables retailers to adjust their stock levels to meet demand and avoid stockouts. Resource allocation. AI can optimize the allocation of resources based on availability and project needs. This ensures right resources are assigned to the right tasks, improving overall project efficiency. One example of AI optimizing resource allocation is in project management software. The AI can analyze the skills and availability of team members and then assign tasks to individuals based on their expertise and current workload, ensuring that the project progresses efficiently. AI tools like Microsoft Project, Trello with Butler, and Asana's automation features are already helping project managers streamline their workflows. Although AI can significantly reduce the administrative burden on project managers, allowing them to focus on strategic decision making and team leadership, AI has its limitations, especially when it comes to tasks that require human judgment and emotional intelligence. For instance, AI may struggle to understand the context of a project, which could lead to inaccurate predictions or recommendations. Let's consider a few crucial points on human aspects of project management. Leadership and team building. PMs do have important leadership and team building skills. Project managers motivate teams, resolve conflicts, and build a positive work culture, areas where emotional intelligence is key. AI cannot understand and manage human emotions, making it difficult to replicate the leadership qualities of a good project manager. Complex problem solving. PMs not only work on managing the projects on a high level, but also help solve complex problems. Projects often face unforeseen challenges that require creative, human-centered solutions. While AI can provide data-driven recommendations, it may not always account for the nuanced, creative thinking needed to solve complex problems. Consider a project management scenario where a team is facing a sudden change in client requirements. While AI can provide insights based on historical data, it may not fully grasp the complex interpersonal dynamics and the need for out-of-the-box thinking to navigate the situation effectively. Client and stakeholder communications. PMs play a major role in stakeholder engagements, which is not limited to building status and project reports, but also building personal connections with the client and the team. Building relationships and understanding stakeholder needs involve a level of empathy and nuance that AI currently lacks. Effective communication often requires reading between the lines, gauging emotions, and building trust, skills that are inherently human. Say when you're dealing with a frustrated customer, it's important to not only address their specific issue, but also to empathize with their emotions and reassure them that their concerns are being heard and taken seriously. This level of emotional intelligence and empathy is something that AI is not yet capable of. Adaptability. Projects often change rapidly and humans are better suited to adapt to new situations and pivot strategies as needed. AI can assist in identifying changes and suggesting actions, but human judgment is crucial in making the final decisions. For example, in a marketing project, AI can analyze data to suggest changes in targeting strategies based on new trends. But it's up to the human team to evaluate these suggestions and make the final decisions on adjusting the marketing approach. AI undoubtedly can boost project management efficiency by automating routine tasks and providing data-driven insights. However, it's crucial to remember that the human touch is irreplaceable. Project managers are not just leaders but also the heart and soul of a project, making strategic decisions and navigating the complexities of human interactions. So, can project manager jobs be replaced by AI? The answer is not entirely. AI will be a powerful assistant taking on administrative tasks and providing valuable insights. But the role of a project manager requires a human touch that AI can't replicate, at least not yet. This reassures us that our unique skills and abilities will always be in demand. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video interesting, don't forget to subscribe. Remember to please leave your feedback in the comments, as I am keen to know what you think about AI in project management. Can you see a future where AI takes over entirely? Also click like to help us reach more people. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.